This right here was not loose before. I'm positive because I put this on and it was tight because I had fixed the door latch. This was not loose like this, but when I got it back from the body shop, now it's loose. I wonder why. I wonder why. I saw some grease right here, and I just figured, you know, somebody put a greasy hand right here. I'm like, damn, did they take the door off or something? You know, it's the reason I don't like this car going anywhere. People, because it's an old car, they figure that, for some reason, they figure they can just F over it because it's an old car. You know, they figure, well, I ain't got to be good with it because if it's break, we'll just say it's an old car. Now, I'm going to tell you, this was put on by me, and it was good and tight. I'm going to tell you what happened. This right here comes off. You have to take this and go up under here and unlock it. So I'm gonna tell you what they did. They I bet you they broke the piece of the cardboard to go across here. Yep, that's what they did. Exactly what they did. Broke this. Now, how the hell did they break it? I don't know, just being heavy-handed or something. But I figure that's what it was. That's what they did. That's what they did. It was not broke. I know for a fact it wasn't broke. They either jerked on it too damn hard or just something. I always hated this damn cover anyway. It's nasty looking. Maybe I can buy another cover and maybe I can put a drill a bolt in there and a bolt in there. Motherfucker. Freaking swear. Can't have nothing nice. And it's the trip part. Now they bitch about. They always, everybody want to talk about this. They want to talk about that. But it's because I don't have this, it's okay if you break up my damn door though. All right, my main reason for being out here is I'm tired of this damn door, this car stinking. I believe that whoever owned this thing, the kids poured something down in here because it stinks. So I'm going to take this door panel off and try to, I also want to clean that. I can't stand that grosses me out every time I look at it. Anyway, I want to take this door panel off. Now, you got torque. I don't know what size it is. I just got the damn, I don't know what size it is. But anyway, it's a normal size torque, the regular size torque, whatever that is. You got a bolt here, you got a bolt here. They said that this trim piece has to come off to get at 2 screws here and here. Let me go get something to get that off. All right, I used a body panel remover and it was kind of hard because these damn clips, they use some heavy duty ass clips to keep the damn thing in there. Now I need Phillip head to get the screws out. You know what? This ain't even hooked up. I didn't unhook it, so never mind. Alright, how am I gonna get these damn door locks off? I mean, the wires. You squeeze it and pull down on one. The other one here. Man, wires are so close, I can't. This is a speaker wire. This one is the speaker wire. You pull like that and it comes out. And this one, I pull that, squeeze that in to pull it out. I guess I need 10mm bolts to take that out. But first I got to get the window to come down, and there's an inspection thing right here. I cannot see. Why is it being so damn difficult? Supposed to pull the damn thing out, and I pushed it in. All the way in. Alright, I gotta roll the window down, and this window is off track any damn way. It was perfect until I had the tinted window put on. When I had the tinted window put on, ever since then the window been acting crazy. I'll show you what I'm talking about. All this time, I thought this was dirt. It's not dirt. The damn paint has come off the grill. That's what it's got it looking like. Is I thought it was food in there. It's not food. Also, I'm guessing the person who did my interior, you know, I found this on the front doors, and it's just not holding up in the back. You know, but when the disc is bolted up, it works out okay. I wonder if I get some self-tapping screws and screw this into here. Will it hold that? The reason I say this is working fine, when they put tint on my window is when this window started messing up. I don't know what they bent something or what, but the window was working fine before they put the tint on the window. And that smell doesn't seem like it's coming from the window. I stuck my nose in here. I don't smell anything. But I remember when I sprayed brake cleaner down in there, it ran out. I don't know. But I just thought about it. I can't put this damn thing inside the garage. So I need to put the door panel back on and leave this window thing alone until I can park it inside. I think I'm gonna do that. All right, check this out. I just found out I can order this part right here separate from the door panel. I just ordered one, 13 bucks. I also ordered another one of these, except this is gonna be black. or charcoal gray or something. And until then, I'm going to drill. I'm thinking about drilling a hole in here and put a bolt and put one there. I'm thinking about doing that. Or I might just, I don't know, I might get some damn super glue. And I think I'm gonna try drilling a hole here and here. But anyway, I'll let y'all know.